Yes. Mheshimiwa Spika, kwa niaba ya County 001 na mimi Mohamed Faki Mwenye Haji, mtumishi na senator wa County 001, kwa niaba ya watu wa 001 na niaba yangu binafsi ninasema emphatic no.
Nderitu John Kinyua.
I, John Kenyua, Senator of Laikipia, with clear instructions from people of Laikipia, I vote yes.
Ndwiga Peter Njeru. Ndwiga Peter Njeru.
Yeah, I, Gerald Ndwiga, on behalf of Embu County, vote emphatically yes.
Olekina Ledama.
I, Ledama Olekina, the son of the Maasai Nation, on behalf of the Narok delegation, vote no.
Yes!
Ongeri Samson Kigengo. Ongeri Samson Kigengo.
On behalf of KCE delegation, and I really want this nation to be together, and in order to have another chance to discuss it, I vote no.
Outa Frederick Otieno.
On behalf of the great county of Kisumu, I, Frederick Otieno Outa, I vote yes.
Ogisio Samuel Lesuren. Pogisho Samuel Lesuron.
You did not call me.
Arthur. Sakaja Johnson Arthur.